Dinner is served on a stick with a simple skewer and sizzle. These kebabs are sure to still the hearts and stomachs of everybody at your barbecue. Chef Todd Leonard joining me on the Studio 5 Plaza to make you kebab king and queen of the grill.
Yeah,
we overlook these. Good to see you. Good to see you. We overlook these, you say, in our grilling repertoire.
Yeah, you know, we grill steaks, we grill hamburger, we grill chicken, hot dogs, whatever.
Yeah.
It's fast, it's easy, it's convenient, it's what we're used to.
Right.
But when was the last time we really did a kebab?
I don't think I've ever done kebabs at home, to be honest.
Look at these babies.
To be honest. Oh, there it is.
Look at these vegetable kebabs.
They're dripping. Woo! Oh my gosh, that's summer on a stick.
So that's what's cool. And you think it really takes a lot of time. It does, but it doesn't. You want to be with your kids and do an activity? Get them involved.
Yeah.
They're just sitting there skewering it up. Life is good. So it can be very friendly, very happy. But let's start first with the simplicity of kebabs.
Okay.
Okay? So the simplicity of kebabs is just soak your skewers. And I'm not soaking them in water.
What are you soaking them in?
Oil.
And is this for flavor? Is this for what?
This is to not burn the stick.
Oh, thank you. Okay,
on
great.
the grill. Can
I
you
told you
believe
I've
that?
never done these before.
It's awesome.
You're speaking to an elementary school kindergartner.
But guess what? The news is when a lot of recipes will say soak your sticks, but they'll never tell you what. Soak them in oil.
Oil.
The oil like gives you a protection and stops burning.
Okay.
Okay. Water. What does water do? Evaporate really, really fast. So I love to soak them in oil. And you don't, everybody can. Some people soak them in water. Some people soak them in oil. But I think oil is the best.
Okay. What meat do you have going
this
here?
is actually beef tenderloin cubes, chunks.
Okay. And when do I cube and when do I chunk?
You cube them like right now, then you marinate them, and then you skewer them.
Okay.
I don't like to like rest the marinade for hours and days, and just marinate them and then skewer them up.
Okay.
Yep, marinate them that easy. So I've got a little bit of curry in there. I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic in here.
Okay.
I'm gonna put a little bit of soy. Okay. So 3 things of marinating. Flavor.
Yes.
Which is our seasoning, garlic, and now soy.
Yes.
Acidity, which is going to be lime juice.
Okay, flavor, acid.
And then fat. Okay, I've got 2 different kinds of fat for you today. This is just a blended olive oil, so extra virgin olive oil and canola oil mix.
Okay.
I'm going to put that in there.
Okay.
Okay. On the vegetable kebabs, I did a balsamic marinade. Same thing, flavor, acidity, and fat.
Okay.
But I use truffle oil.
Ooh, fancy.
That'll bring out those mushroom flavor and really, really nice and really, really fun.
Yeah.
Okay, so again, this is pork. The recipe I've got for you online is gonna be chicken, but it's so universal. You can do pork, you can do the same marinade with pork, chicken. You can even do salmon kebabs, shrimp kebabs.
I'm getting excited. I am gonna do this.
Super excited.
Yeah, all right.
So this is a cool presentation. So if you're having a dinner party, grill a big chunk of pineapple.
Yeah.
Have lots of them around, and you can cut the pineapple long ways.
Okay.
And nice and thick, and grill that, and then stick your skewers all in them, and then you just grab them.
How fun is that?
Could be an appetizer, could be a main meal, could be served with rice, could be served with potato salad.
I'm going to ask probably the dumb question. Do I have once they've marinated and when they're cooking, do I need to season them at all?
Yeah, well, the seasoning should be in the marinade.
That's in the marinade.
Yep,
so then we're done at that point. Then we
so
just
for
cook
instance, look at this pork. That's this marinade right here. That's turmeric, that's paprika, garlic, other seasonings. Look how beautiful that is. Now, real quick to show you a demonstration, there's 2 styles. If you don't cube the meat, you can cut it in long strips. You just gotta thread that meat through the stick like that, and now it's one long meat.
Oh, look at that. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Or, I actually prefer doing it this style, small cubes, because when you're eating it, you can take your fork after it's cooked and you just slide off a couple bites.
Right.
Eat a few bites and then slide off a few more.
There's no skewer wrestle happening.
Yeah, I like to skewer. I like to cube them and skewer.
Okay.
But I wanted to show you the 2 different styles. So you have a long piece of meat and then a cube piece of meat.
Okay.
You can also shave your meat really, really thin. And lay them on top of each other.
Okay.
And that adds, again, more marinade, so that increases more flavor.
Yep.
So when you go to the grill,
the Win wants to be part of our party.
yeah.
Great
When you go to the grill, you just take your marinated skewers.
Yeah.
And you put them right on like that.
Okay.
If you want to make sure you preserve the skewer, you can bring the ends like this, shut it, and then that's off the heat so it won't burn. Just another little tip or trick.
Okay.
But these skewers have been soaking for a while. They shouldn't burn at all. Shut the lid, capture all that smoke and flavor, and just grill it up.
So I can marinate, I can skewer ahead of time, have those ready to go, pull those out come dinner time, come party time, and throw throw them on the grill.
And throw them on the grill. And remember, you can do
We're
big.
both having Marilyn Monroe moments right now.
Yeah. Hello.
Okay, sorry, I cut you off.
So you can put them, you can do the big, you can do the small, but the secret is marinate them. That's the great thing about kebabs. Even my vegetables I marinated.
Yeah.
And look how really nice that vegetable kebab
Oh, I mean, I'm starving. Just look
So
at
you
that.
get one, you have one pork, one vegetable,
Yeah.
and a little bowl of rice. Life is good.
That's dinner, baby.
Guys, eat more kebabs.
All right, eat
it's
more
awesome.
kebabs. We are convinced
Yep.
you have inspired us. Thank you so much. He's providing so many great recipes for you on our website. Go to the recipe page, studio5.ksl.com. He's blown us away today with
Yeah.
his skill and talent. Hey, what's coming up at UVU Culinary Arts Institute?
UVU Culinary Arts, it's registration time, so we're a
Nice.
little busy. Phones are ringing off the hook.
Yeah.
But we have a waiting list, but we don't. Meaning you can get in still. We're getting full, but you can get in. So if you always have had that wonderful dream of, like, I want to go to culinary school, this is your year. Come down, sign up, take classes, take a class. If the classes aren't all full, we'll accept you and you don't even have to go through the program.
Nice.
But we would love to have you. Culinary school at UVU is a dream.
All right.
We're the best in the nation.
You are, for good reason, and we're grateful that you teach us along the way, too. So we'll link you
Appreciate
over
it.
to that website from ours. Thank you, Todd.
Sorry about the wind.
No worries.
Yeah.
Like I said, we've been blown away by your
Blown away.
talent and the flavor,
Blown
the good
away.
flavor.